Okay. So, packing pero scoops.
Careful.
I don't want.
Scoops. Let's go. Ipaghiwa-hiwalay na natin.
I don't want.
Wait lang.
Wow.
Isi-skip ko na yung part na hiwalay ng beads kasi 3 minutes lang to. Okay na, paghiwa-hiwalay ko na sila lahat. Hiwan ka. Ito yung aking sister. With my sister. Huwag kang malikot dito, Sumara.
Okay.
Two scissors.
This will be outside to you.
No, it's not.
Hey, that's pretty.
Tapos, isang book. So, Harry Potter book. Harry Potter book nga lang ibibigay ko.
Where is it?
Ito lang.
Over there.
Two hairstyle.
Oh my book.
Two hairstyle. Nakuha ko na. The ribbon. Isang scrunchie. Now, two pencil case. Two pencil. Yung two pencil case na paper. Na aking
Where's
babalik
it go?
mamaya.
Where's it go?
Here!
Huh? No.
Nan, dalawang ballpen.
Dance.
Nandito yung ballpen.
Ah!
Andun pala. Ay, yun ang sakit.
Not again.
Two ballpens nga ba? Two ballpens ata?
Wow.
Tapos, one stapler.
No, that's
Dito
not
talaga
my
ako
school.
Hindi talaga ako
My
maalam.
school, look at Teacher Johnny doesn't say it.
6 erasers.
No, some. Give me back.
Only borrow, okay? 6 erasers.